What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you one of the more divisive mods for Elden Ring. That's something you're either gonna love or hate. Don't worry, you don't have to use it, but if it's what you're looking for, this guide is gonna help you. In this guide, I'll show you how to install the Easy Mode mod for Elden Ring for the new Shadow of Erdtree update and DLC. Let's get into it. If you want to install a mod like this to make the game just a little bit easier, you'll find a link down below to this mod as well as all of the information of what it patches, changes, etc. down below. When you get to this page, all you'll need to do is click Manual Download in the top right, followed by scrolling down, and you'll see a bunch of different files. We can edit the damage only, change the rune spawns, as well as the personal edit over here, which should be even easier. Depending on how easy you want the game to be, we'll need to manually download any of these in order to make our game just a little bit easier. I'll download the third one over here, just as an example, and we'll click Slow Download. At this point, you will need to be signed in, otherwise the download won't start. Don't worry, you can create a free Nexus Mods account. If you'd like some extra info on what each one does, on the Descriptions tab right over here, you'll find everything you need to know written out as such. All we need to do to install this mod is, in Steam, right-click Elden Ring, Manage, and choose Browse Local Files. Then, inside of the Games folder, we'll open the Game folder, and all of the files for the game are in here. Click any of the files, and hit R on your keyboard to jump to regulation.bin. We'll be renaming this to something like Regulation Old, just so we can revert to the original settings whenever we want in the future. Now, simply open up the zip that we just downloaded, open the folder, and drag both of these files into our game folder, and click Yes if prompted. Now we've successfully installed the mod. We can further customize it, if you so wish, by opening the CSV folder, and we can edit these options over here. But for now, I'll just skip this as it's super in-depth. Anyways, we've now successfully installed the mod, and assuming we already have the anti-cheat toggler installed, we're able to play it with the easier settings. So, if you haven't already got the toggle anti-cheat plugin, in the description down below, head across to this page, manual download in the top right once more, and slow download, then open up the zip and once again drag it into our game folder as such. Click Yes if prompted. Now you'll have a toggle anti-cheat exe program. Run this once and you should see the anti-cheat is disabled, which means our mods can now load. You can, in the future, run this again to re-enable the anti-cheat, allowing you to play online with your friends, etc. For now though, I'll leave it as anti-cheat disabled. Now we can actually fire up the game and our mods should be working properly. So if we run Start Game in Offline Mode or hold Alt and drag this to our desktop to create a shortcut, we can rename it something like Elden Ring with mods and we can open it. Then once our game starts, we can click through, continue, and just like that, the game should be in easy mode. You should take less damage from different bosses, fights, etc. and overall it should just be generally easier to play. It's a bit difficult to show on video without having a direct comparison, but you get the point. So just as an example, yeah, that wasn't so bad. Anyways, you get the point. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao! And a special thank you to Superior Emerald for being an ultimate supporter.